Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm quite a fan of JBL. I have quite a few of the speakers, as you can probably tell. I also have one of the gaming headsets and I honestly really like them. Now I was looking for a little speaker to replace my aging JBL Go. This is the original version, which is still a pretty decent speaker. But I was looking for something a little bit more updated and with slightly better sound quality. And that's when I came across the updated version, which looks absolutely brilliant. So this, ladies and gents, is the JBL Go 3. Now, I've been using this speaker for quite a while now, and I think it's absolutely brilliant. But one thing I haven't done, for instance, is compared them to other JBL products, such as the original JBL Go or the Flip Essential, which I reviewed quite a while ago now on my channel. If you haven't checked this video out, I highly recommend that you do. I'll link it all up above for you to check out. Now I also have, which you may not be able to see from here, is the JBL speakers. I've got two JBL speakers on my desk. They are the Quantum Duo, and they are an absolute amazing set of desktop speakers. And if you haven't checked out my review, once again, I'll leave a link up above for you. Anyway, let's start with a unboxing. So this is what the box looks like, and I can already see that the product actually looks pretty good. Now, for those of you who are new to my channel and haven't seen any ever of my JBL videos, I absolutely adore their tagline, which is "Dare to Listen." I think it's really cool. So this is what it looks like. And if you have a quick look at the specs here at the back, this device will give us 5 hours of playtime and is IP67 waterproof and dustproof. So yeah, it also comes with Bluetooth version 5.1. Okay. This is what the speaker looks like, and already I can tell you that it feels very good. So I believe there's two ways for this to stand. The first way, move that out of the way, is simply like this, and the second way is like that. Now the speaker also comes with a string which allows you to hang it up somewhere, which I think is pretty decent. On the side here, you've got the Go 3, which is the model. You've got a power button as well as a Bluetooth button. On the top here, you have your volume plus and minus, as well as what looks to be a play button. Okay, so let's take a further look. So already inside here, I am seeing a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now my original JBL Go had a micro USB cable, so that is pretty good. Although I must admit, looking at that there, it does make you wonder how waterproof it really is. Okay, this is the USB A to C cable that it comes with. And it is of a reasonable length. JBL really do pay attention to their detail with their logos even on the cable. Inside this roll, hold by me. You also get your safety instruction and warranty card, some information here, as well as a quick start guide, which is rather difficult to open. So this just shows you what's inside of the box, how to go about pairing it, charging it, how waterproof it is. So 1 meter for 30 minutes by the looks of things. It also gives you your full tech specs. Let that focus in a little bit. And it also gives you information in various different languages. I think it's safe to say that you want to hear what it sounds like. Now, with the sound test, you're not really gonna get a feel of what the sound quality is like. You have to be here to get a full feeling of what it's like. But I do recommend wearing a decent pair of headphones. Maybe the mic will pick up a little bit of what it sounds like. I'm going to compare it to the original Go, and I'm going to compare it to the Flip Essential as well. But hopefully, if you wear a decent set of headphones, you will sort of feel the sound quality. But anyway, let's see what it sounds like.
Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Okay, so that was the sound quality of the JBL Go 3. I just had to use that song by Enviro. This is obviously the no copyright sound video, and yeah, I've used it in quite a few of my videos in the past. It really does bring out the bass and the overall sound quality, so I do use it quite often. But now we're going to have a look at the original JBL Go to see how it compares. Now hopefully it's charged enough for me to try.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
So one thing I want to say straight away is that the sound quality is still there, but the bass isn't as good as it is on its newer version, the JBL Go 3. There seems to be something about the bass on this that it makes it seem a little bit more powerful. But now it's time to test it against the Flip Essential.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Okay, so as you probably heard, there are differences in between the sound quality of the products that you've just listened to, but the JBL Go 3 remains one of my favorites, and that's because it's portable and it's really good to take with you anywhere you like, really. So whether you are planning to go to the beach, whether you are planning to take it on a cycling trip with you, whether you plan to take it camping, whether you're even taking it running, and to be honest with you, any outdoor activities, this speaker is ideal, not only because of the size of it, but also because of how convenient it is. I mean, for starters, you got a strap, so you can hang it out anywhere you want. You can hang it on your backpack, you can hang it off a tree, you can hang it, well, practically anywhere. The speaker itself feels a lot more robust than other speakers as well. It's mainly because of this really nice material it's made from, this sort of hard fabric, which you get with quite a few speakers nowadays actually. Now, if I were to compare it to this, the JBL Flip Essential, obviously this product is at a whole different level. So I don't think it's fair to compare it to the Flip Essential, which, by the way, as you probably heard, is a really good speaker. I mean, the one selling point I love about these, and that was from the JBL Flip 3 to even the JBL Flip Extreme, which you've seen here at the start of the video, is the fact that these move on either side, which makes it just really cool. But anyway, one thing I don't like about this is the size of it. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, if you're flying somewhere and you're only taking hand luggage, then this is actually quite weighty. And you know, I don't know what it is like in other parts of the world, but in Europe, airlines do have weight limits. So I don't know what the weight limits are like nowadays, but they do have weight limits, and this is just a lot lighter than this. And to be honest with you, if you're carrying it in general, you don't want to be carrying something that's too heavy with you. You prefer something lighter and smaller, which can actually fit in your pocket nicely, which this simply can. Now, one thing I will admit, and I don't like it that much, is the fact that it won't tell you how much battery is left. So if you are heading out for a trip somewhere, if you are heading out camping, I recommend charging it before you go, or even taking a power bank with you, simply because you won't necessarily know how much battery is left in there. But yeah, as a whole, I think this is a great speaker. I highly recommend it. And as always, if you are interested in getting yourself one of these, I'll leave a link down below. And if you do decide to use that link, you'll be helping the channel as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Till next time.